Hey friends, welcome to the channel. I'm Ken Smith, and I am over here at Track Hobbies here in Bristol, Virginia. Now, I got to tell you, this was my first time here, and actually somebody commented that I should go check this place out on one of my other videos. And so I just came back from another spot, and I thought I would stop here and check it out. I walked inside, and I was actually really impressed. So I asked the lady who's working here if I could walk inside and share with my viewers what I found inside. Now, what's really cool about this, I got to be honest with you, is there's a lot of used stuff here in multiple scales. So without further ado, let's just go ahead. We're going to walk inside and check it out and go from there. But it's a neat little gold mine. And so I'm going to talk softly once we get inside.
Like this past week, it was yesterday for Friday, because
so as I mentioned, there's a lot of neat little used stuff.
He has a fifth scale,
and
they were going to race today, so
I was just really impressed with some of the little golden gems that I found here. Prices seem really reasonable, and you know, for your unboxed cars, $5 a car, that's really reasonable. And for your box cars, they're obviously a little bit more money, but again, this is a nice little golden gem. And a little bit of variety for everybody. I mean, they've got the Christmas stuff going on. They've got some, as you see here, some out-of-the-box Lionel. And it's really packed in here. A lot of stuff. Some American Flyer. Some kits, some Craftsman kits. I don't know what the going rate is for an American Flyer car, but you know, a little damaged car, but $15. I don't know. That seems to be pretty reasonable. We've got a nice little Lionel layout right there. Let's walk down this aisle here. There's a lot of orange boxes, a lot of Lionel, a lot of Rail King. Man, look at that beast. I'll take it down both sides just so you can see. Definitely a lot here. Nice large selection of stuff. Up on the top, it looks like we've got train sets. And again, just a nice collection of stuff here. There's some Athearn blue box. As well as some Tyco and other Walthers products. Proto 2000s. There's some ON30. Kind of hard to find that stuff where I live. And again, there's plenty of sets up here. It's a really nice collection of product. Trying to go slow so you guys can just kind of see everything on the walls in the grand scheme of things. And we'll get up closer and we'll do a little larger view. Again, some really, really nice stuff. There's the UP Challenger, Greyhound paint scheme. And if we come over here, we've got some N scale stuff as well as some used HO structures. Looks like we've got some N scale structures in there too. So again, just a really nice collection of stuff. Surprised to see even LGB here. The price on this car marked at $94. I had this car and that's what it was selling for 20 years ago. So definitely think that that's a pretty respectable price. Again, we have some more used product right here. Now, I'm not an expert on any of this, so I don't know how that compares as far as new, but I would definitely tell you that if you were, this is right off of Interstate 81, so I would tell you that if you're passing through Bristol, this is a must stop. It isn't often that you find used stuff here in a hobby shop, but I was just blown away at what was inside. If you're coming through on Interstate 81, you gotta stop here. This is well worth it. Have a wonderful day and you all be blessed.